Hello, folks. Let's put together a crockpot dinner for tonight. I've got 4 chicken thighs and 4 chicken tenderloins in a crockpot. We'll mix up ranch dressing, onion soup mix, and a chicken gravy mix with a little bit of water. I got a can of Rotel. I got another can of Rotel if I need it. I got some black beans that I've rinsed off. And then we'll put a small block of cheddar cheese and a half a block of cream cheese in it. And we will cover it up, turn it on. We'll turn it on high for about 3.5 hours. And we'll come back and check on it then. And I'll probably cook some pasta to put in it. Probably some bow tie pasta, which you could use any pasta you want. Spaghetti would be good in it, fettuccine, macaroni, panini. But we'll get this all put together here and I'll be right back. Okay, we'll put our onion soup mix and stuff in here and put our beans in there, which I've rinsed them off, which you should always do that. There's my Rotel. I don't think I need a second can. Put this cheddar cheese in here and half a block of cream cheese, and we'll put a lid on it and let it go for about 3.5 hours, and then we'll check on it. And we will be. I almost forgot. I got some bacon I fried up and put in here. Yeah, put it all in there. There we go. Alrighty, that's better. Okay, folks, it's about 3.5 hours here. Let's see what we got here. We'll shred our chicken. Let's let this go a little bit longer. We can put our pasta in there, get it stirred in. Try to anyhow. My pasta dried out on me. And we'll let this go for a little while longer. We'll be back. Okay, folks, we got our chicken dinner done for tonight. Looks pretty good. Just remember now, guys, just make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell so you get new notifications. Share my videos with someone. Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Y'all have a super nice evening.